Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili pickle in oil. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of fresh red or green chilies, which are key for that vibrant taste. Also, prepare your essential spices like mustard seeds, fenugreek, and turmeric powder. Don't forget a good quality cooking oil, such as mustard or sesame oil, as it forms the base of our delicious pickle. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the chilies. Begin by washing them thoroughly and then drying them completely. Any moisture can spoil the pickle. You can either slit each chili lengthwise or chop them into 1-inch pieces, depending on your preference. After cutting, mix the chilies with a generous amount of salt and a touch of turmeric powder. Let this mixture rest for about 30 minutes to draw out some moisture and infuse flavor. Now for the heart of the pickle, tempering the spices. Heat about 200 milliliters of your chosen oil in a pan. Once hot, add whole spices like mustard and fenugreek seeds, letting them splutter until fragrant. Then, carefully add your ground spices and the prepared chilies to this aromatic oil. Cook the mixture on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, let's talk about storing your delicious chili pickle. It's crucial to allow the pickle to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to a jar. Always use a clean, airtight glass jar to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. For the longest shelf life, ensure the pickle is always submerged in oil. This creates a protective layer. Enjoy your homemade chili pickle with your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.